In this video, we are going to discuss about engineering design introduction. The machine design or engineering design is the creation of new and better machines and improving the existing one. A new or better machine is one which is more economical in the overall cost of production and operations. So before we discussing about engineering design, we should know some basic information about materials classifications. So materials are normally classified into two major categories. One is metals and another one is non-metals. These are the two major categories. Examples of metal is iron, steel, copper, aluminum, etc. At the same time, examples of non-metals is glass, rubber, plastic, etc. Here, the metal is further classified into two major categories. One is ferrous metal and another one is non-ferrous metal. Then what is ferrous metal? The ferrous metals are those which have the iron as their major constituent, such as cast iron, rough iron and steel. Here the iron is the major element. Whereas the non-ferrous metal means those which have a metal other than iron as their major constituent, such as copper, aluminum, brass, tin, zinc, etc. So next we are going to study some important mechanical properties of metals. So first property is strength. The strength, what is strength? It is the ability of a materials to resist the externally applied forces without breaking or yielding. Next important mechanical property is stiffness. The definition is it is the ability of a material to resist deformation under stress. Normally, the modulus of velocity is the measure of stiffness. Third important property is elasticity. It is the property of a material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external forces are removed. This property is desirable for material used in tools and machines. Here the important point is steel is more elastic than rubber. Next property is plasticity. It is the property of a material which retain the deformation produced under load permanently. These properties of the material is necessary for forging, in stamping images on coins, and in ornamental works. Next property is malleability. It is the special case of ductility which permit material to be rolled or hammered into thin sheet. A malleable material should be plastic, but it is not essential to be so strong. Next property is hardness. It is a very important property of the material and has a wide variety of meaning. It embraces many different properties such as resistance to wear, scratching, deformation, and miscibility, etc.